Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and choosing a template. This gets you working immediately with sensible defaults. Once you pick blank or a pre-built layout, make sure autosave is on so you don't lose work. You'll also set language and default font now, because that prevents formatting surprises later. These first settings streamline everything that follows and save time when inserting content, so complete them before adding text or images. Now you add and structure content. Type headings, paragraphs, and bullet lists to build your document. Use styles like heading 1 and normal to keep formatting consistent and enable easy navigation later. Once done with text, insert images or tables where needed and add page breaks to control layout. Make sure to use the ruler and margins to align content. This avoids shifts when printing or converting to PDF and keeps the document professional. Finish by reviewing and saving. Run spelling and grammar, then read sections allowed to catch tone and errors. Once satisfied, save as. Docx for editing and export to PDF for sharing, making sure images and fonts look right. If something breaks, use clear formatting on the problematic text and reapply the correct style. This fixes stray fonts or sizes. Finally, back up to OneDrive or a USB so your final file is safe and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.